Hi, I'm Moira from Gorilla Glue. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Clear Grip. Gorilla Clear Grip is a crystal clear contact adhesive that can be used on a variety of surfaces indoor and out. It's 100% waterproof, provides a permanent flexible bond, and holds in just seconds. The no-run formula makes projects and repairs easy. Clear Grip is also washer and dryer safe. The clear, flexible glue makes it ideal for bonding metal, glass, fabric, wood, ceramic, leather, paper, and more. Even photos. Before starting your project, make sure all surfaces you are working with are clean and free of dirt, grease, and oil. Apply adhesive to each surface you are bonding. To maximize the bond strength, wait approximately 2 minutes for the adhesive to partially dry. This is important because Clear Grip gets its strength from the solvent evaporation from each side of your project. Finally, press the surfaces firmly together. Even though the glue bonds immediately, allow 24 hours for a full cure. If cleanup is necessary, wipe the uncured adhesive with a dry cloth and clean with acetone. If it's cured, it can be scraped off the surface. After you've finished your project, wipe the nozzle with a dry cloth and tightly replace the cap. Store it in a cool, dry place. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and other project ideas.